Welcome, today I'm with THOMSON Smart LED TV and I'll show you how you can perform the first setup of this device. So when you turn on your TV for the first time, you will get this kind of the menu. So right now we have to select our language, and right now we have to select our country. In this step we have to read all of this stuff and accept. In this place we have to accept this privacy notice, and when we make it we can also go below and trick it all, and we are able to select next. Another one that we have to accept, and we have to select our TV location. So shop with the demo, normal shop or home. Of course I'm gonna select home. In this place we are able to connect our TV wireless or wired. You can decide. Honestly, I'm going to skip this step, and you can make it after first setup in the settings. Here we have few simple tips. So we have to confirm yes. We can install TV channel. I'm gonna skip this one and we can make it later. Okay, so as you can see the first setup is complete, and here we got the list of the settings that we set up. So as you can see, there's our language, country, location, smart TV. We are disconnected because we didn't plug internet connection, and we didn't also make the channel installation. So right now we can finish. We can press OK to scan, or we can go for the home settings to adjust other things. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.